Hey, Dave Taylor here, and as a film critic, I spend a lot of time not just in the movie theaters, which is what you'd think, but watching my television. I have a really nice Sony HD television that I've had for years. It's really good, but the sound on modern TVs really stinks. So it's really, really important to get an external sound system, and that's why when Vizio sent me their S4251 soundbar, I was actually pretty enthused to plug it in. So it is a full 5-piece unit. So it has 2 little speakers, which I have here just so you can see them. Has a subwoofer, which I have down here. It has a sound bar that goes under the television. I'll show you that in a second. And it has this really cool remote. And again, I'll show you that a little closer, but the remote actually has an LCD screen on it, so it gives you all sorts of power and capabilities. Now, what makes this really cool is in addition to doing Dolby 5.1 and all the different DTS systems and has all the different surround capabilities, the subwoofer's wireless, so you don't have to deal with having wires from your TV coming to the back of your room. Obviously, these are not wireless, but you just put it all in the back and everything works great. But what makes it really cool is, as with every Vizio sound product, it also has Bluetooth. So that means that I can, for example, pair my phone, and with the push of a button. So now, let me turn that down a little bit. So now, off of my phone, off of my computer, off of an iPad, whatever tablet you have, I can actually use it just as a regular sound system, in addition to just being for audio that's coming off the television. So I think that's a huge benefit, and it's something that really makes it 10 times more helpful. And given that you can do something like Pandora or stream your favorite radio station, in addition to actually having music sources on your own, it really is just as good as the old school stereo, but without all the moving parts. So let me show you how the TV part works, because it's actually really elegant, simple, easy to wall mount if you're so inclined, and it's a single wire connection. Single wire, that's it. How easy could that be? Here you can see the sound bar just right under the bottom of my television. It fits really well, it's very elegant, and let's go ahead and look a little closer at how the wires are connected. So here's the back of the sound bar. There aren't a lot of plugs, and as you can see, I'm using just the optical audio. Here's the ridiculously complex back of my television, and as you can see, there's a million plugs. However, the only one I needed to use was the digital optical out. Plug that into the soundbar and I was good to go. That's all that's involved. I think the sound is terrific, and I know that if I can get away with it, I'm not going to send Vizio back the S4251. It's actually a longer name than that, but with its 5.1 sound and its subwoofer and everything, this is really a super cool device, and I would encourage you, if you are suffering through the mediocre sound on your TV, or you bought a real bottom-of-the-line sound system just to start, I would really encourage you to check this out as an upgrade, because it'll blow you away. It sounds really that good. This is Dave Taylor, and I'll see you in the next video.